Democratic Party officials have rejected requests from Fox News to moderate one of the Democratic presidential debates. Party chairman Tom Perez is citing a story in the New Yorker magazine referencing this channel's relationship with President Trump. The story alleges this channel has become a, quote, propaganda vehicle for the president. Perez said in a statement, Fox News, quote, is not in a position to host a fair and neutral debate for our candidates. Here is a statement from Fox News senior vice president and managing editor Bill Salmon, quote, we hope the DNC will reconsider its decision to bar Chris Wallace, Bret Baier, and Martha McCallum, all of whom embody the ultimate journalistic integrity and professionalism, from moderating a Democratic presidential debate. They're the best debate team in the business, and they offer candidates an important opportunity to make their case to the largest TV news audience in America, which includes many persuadable voters.